Hey guys, it's Rick with the HDVIBE channel again. Welcome back if you've been here before. If you haven't been here before, I ask that you subscribe, like this video if you like it. Also comment below if you have any questions as we get into this video about, in the series around security of your Harley Davidson motorcycle. In an earlier video, which I'll pop a card in here, I talked about how to prevent your Harley Davidson from getting stolen in 30 seconds. And that video really went into some of the factory settings around your pin on your wireless, security system on your Harley Davidson motorcycle, how to reset that, and also how to make it so that it's your own, so that someone just can't drive off with your motorcycle even though they don't have the key fob. So this is another portion in this, and I added this to my motorcycles because for me it gave me a sense of security. As you know, when you turn your bike on or off and you have the key fob security system, the bike flashes the lights to let you know that either the security system is armed or disarmed. It also, if you try to move the bike and you don't have the key fob, the lights will flash for some time, whether it be, I don't know, it's 30 seconds or a minute or whatever the case may be. But if you're like me, you probably maybe have a friend or two or seen some CVOs. And when they turn CVOs on or off, the bike actually does flash the lights as well, but it also chirps. I think one chirp and two chirps, whether it's on or off. Essentially, an audible sound so that you know that the bike security system is either armed or disarmed when you're turning off or starting the bike. So little did I know, I did a little research and I actually found that the Harley Davidson motorcycles that have the security system from the factory are capable of having the chirp. And how that happens is with this module right here. It's a very small module. I believe this is called the Harley Security Siren. And the list price for this module, it's a Smart Security Siren 2, I believe. And I will get the part number, put that in the description for you so that you can look for that on the website. But it's relatively small. The list price is $79.99 on HarleyDavidson.com. You can get this from some of my favorite dealerships that I like to get my price or parts at a discounted rate. Gold Star Harley Davidson, for instance, I believe this module was about $56 or $57. I think Newcastle Harley Davidson in Pennsylvania was about the same. I did not check Salt Lake City, Utah Harley Davidson, but they're typically right in that range. And another one that I heard from a comment on the video I had about getting discounted or free Harley Davidson OEM parts, someone mentioned House of Harley, which I believe is in Milwaukee, will sell parts online for a discounted price. So with that, this is a pretty easy install. Everything you need is on the bike. It's plug and play, and it literally takes minutes to do this. But I haven't seen many videos on this, so I thought this would be a good idea to show you guys how to more secure your bike. In addition to that, once I get this installed, I will show you the difference between just the light flashing and how loud this security siren actually is once it's installed and it is either armed or disarmed, or in the case of someone trying to take your bike, it sounds an alarm for some time period. So with that, let's get into it and see how easy this really is. So to install this module, as you can see, I've got the saddlebag off of the left side of the bike. I've taken the side cover off of the bike, and really to reveal the slot with which the module will go into. And this module slides right into this slot right here. So the slot is already there for the module. This plug is actually plugged into a dummy receptacle, if you will. All you do is pull that out, and then that will actually just snap into the security siren module and come in about right here. So I will now put the module in and show you what it looks like. And I will take note, there is no instructions that come with this particular model. This is the Security Siren 2. But when you install this, it goes in like this. This shiny part goes up. And what looks to be where the sound comes out, that the round portion there, that actually goes down. And then it will slide into that slot effortlessly. And then you just plug the connector into this portion here, and you are set to go. Then the bike will audibly note that the security system is either set or not when the ignition goes off. And if you try to move the bike or turn the bike on without the fob close by, it is loud, and I will record that for you so that you can hear that as well. As I turn it off, turning the ignition to the off, you will see here in just a moment the lights flash. So you get the two flashes when the security system is armed, in this case, and this is, again, this is without the module being installed. So the next section here, you will hear when the module, what happens when the module is installed, and we'll go from there. As you can see, it's very loud. I think this will grab the attention of just about anybody. And the lights flash in an unusual pattern, as you can see here in the front. Everything's flashing, loud noise. So now I will get the key fob and bring it close to the bike, and that turns off the alarm system. So that's it, guys. That's the install. It literally took, it may have taken me a minute to actually put the module in and connect the plug to it to get it synced up to the bike. Let me know what you think in the comments. Some people are annoyed by the chirp. I know there is also a way that you can actually turn the chirp off if you don't like it chirping when you turn the bike on and off, but it still will sound as it just did if someone is attempting to take your bike without the fob or without the PIN number being input into the system. So to me, again, it gives some sense of security, especially when your bike is parked in an area where you may not you're traveling, it's in a parking lot, it's at a hotel, and that sound, I don't know what the decibel level is, but it's super loud. I think it would wake people in the middle of the night, draw attention to the bike, and hopefully, run someone off that might be trying to steal your bike in the middle of the night. So that's it. Again, this is the HDVIBE channel. Glad you stopped by. If you haven't subscribed and you've seen some of my videos and you like it, please subscribe. That helps me out a lot. Please like this if you like this content, and also hit that bell icon to get notified when I put out new videos. My videos will really be about everything around Harley Davidson, whether it be rides, some installs like this, different upgrades I've done to the bikes over time, and really just featuring, this is a 2015 Street Glide special, and I have a 2019 Road King special that's behind the camera. So thank you very much, and I'll leave you with this. Life is short, get out and ride the bike. Thanks, and have a great day.